Hey y'all, welcome in. As you can tell, I fell asleep with my makeup on, so I look very splotchy. But I appreciate you guys stopping in today. I actually have something very exciting that I want to do for you guys. And I'm gonna be unboxing. I'm unboxing a laptop and we're gonna set it up on my desk. So I got a bunch of accessories for you guys, and I'm probably gonna go into voiceover mode because I really don't want to talk through all of it and I can't keep my focus through all of it. But if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Miles. I really appreciate you guys for stopping in and hanging out with me. And of course, please subscribe and leave a like and leave me a comment and tell me something great about your day. Yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, here we go. Hey guys, so here's a voiceover. So in here, I have 2 Amazon packages and I'm gonna open them up. And if you're gonna guess what's on my bed, yes, I started reading Hot Gimmick. Currently recording this, I just finished volume 3. It's a mess. It is the hottest mess I've ever read in my entire life. And I'll probably do a video on why this series is so problematic and such a hot mess. But for now, I just gotta muscle through it. I'm on volume 4, so here we go. We're taking out some stuff. So I got in this package, as you can see, is Olimar Helps Me Out. I got a keyboard, and I got, I believe that was a stand. Yeah. So, and then I got this desk mat, and then I got a stand, and the stand itself I'm gonna put it together, but it's basically a stand where you can put your mobile devices and even your iPads or tablets, and it holds it, and it's weighted at the bottom to where it can stand on the side of your bed or something like that. But it kind of gives me a better angle to be able to do more over the shoulder shoots when I'm looking at my desk or something. So I'm gonna put this together here. You guys are gonna see it kind of time lapse because I thought I messed up, but the bars are just bent. That's just how they look. It's really weird, but I'm gonna put this together and then you guys are gonna see how that comes back, and then I'll be back on here. Oops. Look at this. All right, next package. So this next package, I'm gonna cut this thing open. So I ordered 3 other accessories. These ones aren't as flashy. They're just kind of more of necessity stuff. One is that Atola, it's gonna be a USB-C drive. Not a drive, it's a USB-C, not a USB-C, you'll see, it's a USB hub. This is a power strip that I got off of Amazon. I really like this. I just needed an extra one anyway because I'm going to be plugging a lot of stuff in. So I got one. And then we have the laptop stand here. And this is just an adjustable stand that you can either raise up, tilt a little bit more. It gives you different angles, so that way I can put the laptop up there, and then I'm able to just kind of adjust it to however I need to move it to, because eventually I do want to get a new office chair for my desk setup in my room, so that way it's a little bit more comfortable, because right now it's not that comfortable. But yeah, so there's that. And then there's a USB hub that I got for my laptop, so that way it is more able to handle different USBs, and it gives me more multiple USB ports for the laptop, so it works out and everything. And then as you can see, like I said, with this laptop stand, I'm just gonna adjust it for you guys, show you how it is. It was kind of hard. I thought I needed some W40 or something, but it worked out in the end, and I was able to adjust it, and it looks kind of cute, kind of nice. That's another keyboard that I have. That was a Bluetooth one, but I really didn't want to use it anyway, so that's why I got another one. But I'm gonna get all this all set up, and then you guys are gonna see the next part. All right, so here is when we start getting a little bit more cute, a little bit more aesthetic. So I got this really cute like switch corgi type of like mouse pad for my desk. It's not super big, but like it's a good size. And it's just so cute. I love it so much. It's the colors, it's doing it. And then I got this other keyboard. This keyboard is a hot swappable Bluetooth but also wired keyboard. I forgot what kind of switches are in it. Honestly, I'm gonna enter in like everything that is like, I'm gonna link it all down below, so that way if you guys do want to use any of it or want to order any of this stuff, like it's gonna be available for you guys to order and all that good stuff. But it feels really nice and clicky. I really like that knob. I love that it's hot swappable, and I love that it can also be Bluetooth, but also it can be a wired keyboard. This is a wireless mouse, an Alienware wireless mouse. It's really, honestly, it feels really nice. It just feels so nice, and it's super clicky, and it just feels great. I love it. Honestly, I don't have any wireless mice, so this is like my first one, but it feels super great. Now we're gonna get to the piece de resistance, and we're gonna get the laptop ready to go. So let's get down to it. So here we have an Alienware laptop. This laptop is the M15R7, I believe. I'm gonna double check it, and then if I have anything incorrect, I'll add it in on the text on the screen. But this laptop, I have never had a really crazy laptop like this before. So this laptop is insane. As you can see, very premium packaging. The packaging is so just like, it's heavy. It is heavy, but I found out later it's only heavy because like the power cord is heavy. But this thing runs like a champ. It feels great. The monitor is a quote-unquote 2K monitor. I don't know if that's a real thing, but it do be playing in 2K. Honestly, it runs like a dream. I think the only thing is that I might need an additional cooling, just because I believe that with playing like Apex and stuff like that, it might get a little overheated. But I'll find out as time goes on. This is just great. I've never had like such an intense laptop, and I'm glad that I invested on some cute accessories for it. So I'm gonna set this all up. I hope you guys just enjoy this, and then I'll show you some beautiful gameplay of me playing Apex, so that way you guys can kind of get a feel on how the screen looks and everything. And of course, if you guys enjoy this type of stuff, just leave me a subscribe and leave me a like and give me a comment or something. Let me know. I really enjoy you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, bye!
Okay.